Number 1. Learn the basics.
Start with the fundamentals of programming. Understand concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditionals. Choose a programming language to begin with. Python, JavaScript, and Java are popular choices for beginners.
Second step. Master a programming language. Dive deep into one programming language before exploring others. Mastering one language thoroughly will make it easier to pick up additional languages later. Third step. Understand data structures and algorithms. Familiarize yourself with essential data structures like arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, and algorithms. These are the building blocks for solving complex problems efficiently. Fourth step. Practice regularly. Practice coding consistently to reinforce your skills. Solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Codesignal to improve problem-solving abilities. Fifth step. Build projects. Apply your knowledge by working on real-world projects. Building projects allows you to showcase your skills, gain practical experience, and create a portfolio for future employers. Sixth step. Version control. Learn version control systems like Git. It helps you track changes in your code, collaborate with others, and easily revert to previous versions if needed. Seventh step. Explore software development tools. Familiarize yourself with development environments, text editors, and integrated development environment sites relevant to your chosen language. Examples include vscode, PyCharm, and Eclipse. Eighth step. Stay updated. Keep up with industry trends, new programming languages, and updates to existing ones. Subscribe to programming blogs, follow influencers on social media, and participate in online forums. Ninth step. Read code. Review code written by experienced developers. Reading code from open-source projects or repositories on platforms like github can expose you to different coding styles and best practices.